Numbers are very important when it comes to French language, because it's a basic thing. You must know it. If you want to talk about age, you want to talk about money, you want to talk about time, you want to talk about dates, a lot of things, you want to talk about them, you need numbers. So I want to use my time now and explain numbers from you from basic level to advanced level. Don't forget, this class is for A1, and on this channel I teach French language from basic level to advanced level. If today is the first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because here I always bring French to very simple level for everybody to understand. So subscribe to the channel, so anytime I upload new video, you get a notification. I'm not going to waste my time. Let us start. So I have it here from 0 to 10. Look at it. This is 0. Look at spelling, and it's called 0. 0. Yes, 0. Then 1 is 1. This is 2, 3. Don't forget to pronounce it the way I'm saying it. You can repeat after me. French is not only writing, there's also speaking. If I go for any exam, don't forget there will be writing, speaking. You understand? So try to say it as I'm saying it. Okay, let's come down here. This is 4. You can see the pronunciation here. 4. Nous avons 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that clear? Very important. You can play it back and listen to the pronunciation, and then you repeat it as I'm saying it. Okay, let's come down to this place. This is for 11 to 20. Here I have what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you cannot learn everything today, try to master from 1 to 20 today. You understand? Very, very important. From 1 to 20 is very important. That's the basic one that you must know. Okay, let's move on. This is what? From 21 to 30. Now what you need to know here, there's a rule, very important rule. That is when you come to 21, you use A. You are going to say A, because you are going to say 20 and 1. That's for 21. As you can see, you have here 21. So there must be A between 20 and 1. That's 21. Now after that, you don't say A again. You understand? From 22, 23, 24 to 29, you don't say A again. So that's why you can see 22 here is what? 22. 22. Then 23, 23. That is what you do. You can see it here. 21, 22. This is 22. This is 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30 is what? 30. Is that clear? Alright, so let's go to tenths. So these tenths, you have 10, that's 10, you have 20, you have 30, you have 40, you have 50, you have 60, 70, 80, 90, you have 100. You understand? So now when you come to 30, you want to say 31, you see apply this rule. This A must be between 30 and 1, which is 31. You understand? You see apply it there. Then the same thing for 41, 51, 61. When you come to 17, you don't apply that, because 70 is 70. So if you want to say 71, you say 71. You move to 11. You understand? So that's it. So you can see it here. That's 70, and 17 is what? 60 plus 10. That's 70. So 71 is what? 71. Then you have what? 72, which is 12. 60 and 12. So we have 60, 80. It is 4, times 20, which is 80. Now 81, you see 81 is what? 81. 81. So we have what? 82, which is 82. Now when it comes to 90, 90 is what? 80 plus 10, which is what? 90. Then 81, 91, 92, which is 82. You see this platform, this document is a PDF document. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can download it and have access to all this thing, because all these numbers now, after the numbers from 1 to 100, you have what? How to ask or how to say age. So if I say quel âge as-tu, how old are you, you say what? J'ai. Then the age, that's a number, the age is number, so you say the number here, then you say 1. You see it here. So j'ai 18 ans, j'ai 25 ans, j'ai 30 ans. You can see. So those are the things you must master. How to say age. How to say age in French. Now say phone number. How to say phone number. Which my platform was saying here. This platform also said is that if you want to talk about what? Phone number. Want to buy something in the market. So very important. Okay. Now this is it. This one's a phone number. See this phone number now. You're asked to tell somebody phone number. This is a 06 25 48 71 90. You can see. So that's how, those are things you need to know so that you don't put yourself into trouble. Okay, now this is the date in French language. This is the everyday issue. You must know how to say date in French. You understand? Okay, so you have premier, which is first. Second, which is le deuxième. Nous avons troisième, which is le troisième. Ok, nous avons ça aussi. Et ici, nous avons numbers. If you want to ask question about numbers, how many, combien, what is your phone number, quel est ton numéro de téléphone, how old are you, quel âge as-tu, what date is today, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui, etc. So here you have some. So this document, I said it before, I want to keep the link in the description. You download it and have access to it. I think we have come to the end of the class today. And another thing is that if you want to join our WhatsApp group where we do one-on-one discussion, practical speaking, that is what we do in that group. So if you want to join the group, don't forget the link also will be in the description. Click on it and then have access to that group. So all those things are for free. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye for now.